After that.
Hi, and welcome back. Attorney Steve Vonder, and we're here with a helpful keyboard tip for you Mac users. I don't have one for the PC users yet, but if you don't have a Mac, you better go out and get one. So at any rate, so this is a video about how to put in these copyright symbols while you're typing. You want a keyboard shortcut. So I have a copyright for Copyright Watchdog, and so all you need to do when you're typing in here is Copyright Watchdog. On your Mac, just put Option G. Boom. There's your copyright. Okay, well, actually I don't have a copyright on it. I have a trademark, so let's get rid of that. And if I do Option R, boom, there's your registered trademark symbol. And if you haven't registered your trademark, all you need to do is do Option 2, and then you have basically an unregistered trademark that you're claiming rights to. So that's how easy it is on a Mac. We love the Macs. I love the Macs. If you don't have one, you should get one. The MacBook Pro is amazing. So this is what I recommend. If I get a lot of comments and people say I want to see it for the PC, my wife feels the opposite way as I do, and she will do a little demo for the PC. But that's a real quick shortcut tip for you. Hope you've enjoyed it. And if you like this video, let me know. If you got some comments, let me know. Also, I looked for the service mark, which is a little variation from the trademark, and I could not find it. So if anybody knows that, would be great if somebody would put that in the comments bar for us. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a great day.